What if your product had its own face, its own personality, a character that people actually remember, share, and come back to, like a brand mascot, but powered by AI and created by you in minutes? That's exactly what we're doing today. Using Grok AI, I'm going to show you how to create a viral AI brand character for your product, generate the visuals, bring the character to life, and produce ready-to-use clips for your ads, reels, and product videos. No designer, no model, no video crew, just you, a solid prompt, and Grok. Let's create your brand character. A brand character is a visual persona tied to your product. It could be a human-looking AI figure, a stylized mascot, an illustrated persona, anything that gives your brand a face. Here's why it works. People connect with faces, not products. A strong brand character makes your content more memorable, more shareable, and more likely to go viral because it feels human, even if it's AI. And the best part? You don't need a design agency or a branding budget to create one. Every great product video needs more than just a shot of the product itself. It needs atmosphere, it needs context, it needs a world. This is where Grok Aurora really shines for product videos. Grok can generate your brand character from a text prompt in seconds. Let me show you exactly how. Instead of generating the product, which you'd want to shoot with a real camera for accuracy, we use Grok to generate all the cinematics surrounding content. The B-roll, the mood, and the environment that makes your product look like it belongs in a magazine or a premium ad. Let's start with a soft, elegant scene. Soft morning light streaming through sheer white curtains onto a marble bathroom counter, fresh botanicals, serene and luxurious atmosphere, cinematic, 4K, and generate. Look at that. That's a scene. That's the kind of shot you'd normally need a location, a photographer, and a lighting setup to capture. We just generated it in 10 seconds. Drop your real product into that scene in post, and you've got a premium product visual. Let's generate a couple more variations. Different moods, different contexts, because in a product video, you want multiple scenes to cut between. Overhead flat lay of skincare essentials on a cream linen surface, soft natural light, minimal and elegant editorial photography style. And let's see the result. Finally, let's capture something more detailed and nature-inspired. Close-up macro of water droplets on a green leaf, fresh and clean, soft bokeh background, nature-inspired, ultra-detailed, and generate the image. 3 different supporting visuals, 3 different moods, all usable as B-roll, as background scenes, or as cutaway shots in your product video. And we haven't spent a single second on location or lighting setup. And those are just the starting point. Here are more examples of the kinds of clips and visuals you can generate in Grok to use alongside your product video, whether it's for your intro, your ad, your reel, or your brand story. The point is, your real product footage doesn't have to carry the whole video by itself. These AI-generated visuals fill in the gaps, set the mood, and make your final video look like it had a full production team behind it. Now the fun part, let's create the actual brand character. We'll start with a human persona, an AI-generated figure that becomes the face of the product. Think of it like creating a brand ambassador, except you design exactly what they look like. I'm going to be specific about the look, the mood, and the style, because the more detail you give Grok, the closer the result is to what you actually want. A confident, radiant young woman with glowing skin, soft natural makeup, wearing a white linen outfit, standing in soft morning sunlight, clean minimal background, beauty brand ambassador aesthetic, editorial photography, ultra realistic, and generate. Beautiful. That is a brand ambassador. That is the face of a skincare brand, and it came from one prompt. Notice how I included personality cues, confident, radiant, not just physical description. That's what gives the character presence, not just appearance. Now let's say you want a different vibe. Maybe your brand is more bold and edgy, less soft and minimal. Watch how completely different the same product brand character can look just by changing the prompt tone. A fierce, artistic young woman with bold graphic eyeliner, wearing a sleek black turtleneck, dramatic studio lighting, dark moody background, high fashion editorial, ultra detailed, cinematic. Let's see the results. Completely different character. Same tool, same concept, but totally different brand personality. This is why prompting the mood and the vibe matters just as much as the physical description. But a brand character doesn't have to be a realistic human. Some of the most viral brand characters are illustrated, stylized, or even abstract. Let me show you a mascot-style version. A cute, friendly illustrated character, a glowing orb with soft facial features and tiny hands surrounded by botanical leaves and sparkles, pastel color palette, brand mascot style, clean white background, digital art, and hit generate. See that? Totally different direction, but that could be the face of a wellness brand, a beauty app, or a lifestyle product. It's playful, it's shareable, and it's memorable. Mascot characters like this perform extremely well on social media because they're non-threatening, fun, and easy to animate. Quick tip before we move on. Here's my 3-part formula for generating a strong brand character in Grok every time. First, the personality. Words like confident, radiant, fierce, playful, mysterious. These set the emotional tone before any physical description. Second, the visual style. Realistic, illustrated, cinematic, editorial, mascot. This tells Grok the art direction. Lastly, the brand aesthetic. The colors, the mood, the setting. Minimal and clean, dark and moody, bright and energetic. Match this to your actual product packaging and brand colors. Get those 3 things right, and Grok gives you a character that actually feels like it belongs to your brand. Okay, this is the part that makes people stop scrolling. We've created our brand character. Now let's bring them to life. Grok has a talking image and animation feature that takes your static character image and makes it move. It gives them a voice, it gives them presence. What we're doing here is essentially creating a spokesperson for the product without hiring anyone. Your brand character can introduce the product, deliver a tagline, react to a question, or just look amazing moving through a scene, all from the image we just generated. She turns toward the camera, smiles warmly, and says, "Your skin deserves the best." Smooth cinematic motion, soft lighting, and hit generate. And there it is, your brand character, moving, talking, alive. That clip right there could open your product video, run as a 6-second Instagram ad, or be the hook of your TikTok. Think about what this means for your marketing. You now have a brand ambassador available 24/7 for any campaign in any language at any time, and you created them yourself. Now let's generate full video clips, the kind you can drop directly into a Facebook ad, an Instagram reel, a TikTok, or a product page. Let's take the brand character image we just generated and bring it into video. This is where it really gets exciting because we're going from a still image to an actual moving clip. The brand character walks gracefully through a sunlit botanical garden, hair moving softly in the breeze. She glances at the camera with a warm smile, cinematic slow motion, luxury brand commercial style. And generate. That's your brand character, now in motion, in a scene, in a story. That's a 5 to 10 second clip that could open any product video or run as a standalone reel. Let's do one more. Elegant hand reaching into frame and placing a skincare bottle on a marble surface, slow motion, soft morning light, luxury aesthetic, cinematic close-up. Let's see the result. Now here's the thing, you don't always have to generate an image from scratch. If you already have an image you want to use, a product photo, a brand character, even a photo from your phone, just upload your image directly into Grok and then write your video prompt describing how you want it to move, what scene it should be in, what mood it should have. Grok takes your existing image and animates it. Same result, but starting from your own asset. See how easy that is? Upload, describe the motion, generate. This is the fastest route if you already have brand assets sitting on your computer. Your existing photos, your product shots, your logo character, all of them can become animated video clips in Grok. A content kit like this, shot traditionally, would involve a photographer, a videographer, a location, a model, a post-production team, and a budget starting in the thousands. You just built the equivalent in one session, in one tool, with nothing but good prompts. This is what AI-powered marketing actually looks like in practice. Not theory, not hype, real usable content ready to deploy. And that's how you create a complete AI content kit for your product, using nothing but Grok. Start on Grok.com with a simple character prompt, then experiment and iterate. You'll be surprised how quickly you can create content that looks like it had a real budget. If this video helped you see what's actually possible with AI for your brand and your products, subscribe to ACMC AI Academy. Tell me what kind of brand character you're going to create. See you in the next one.